So hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are not going to study because we had studied a lot for the last 1 month, and today we are going to means kind of discussion 1v1 discussion about the World Cup which is coming. And this is the November is a World Cup month. We all already knew it. So this month we are going to minimize our studies a little bit because we will be having our World Cup games, so we cannot miss big games like we can see here Netherlands versus Senegal, you can say England versus USA, Argentina versus Mexico, Argentina versus Poland, actually Messi versus Lewandowski. So let's predict who is going to win. So this is the predictor, means not a predictor, a timetable, a coded thing. Like we can also code this one. So for the first place in Group A, I am going to support Frankie De Jong, Memphis Depay. So Netherlands at the first. Second, Kalidou Koulibaly, Senegal. Then Ecuador and then Qatar. Qatar is not going to perform like a top-notch performance is not coming from Qatar. And then Group B, Norway, England. Second place, most probably USA, Serginho Dest, Pulisic, or Gareth Bale. No, Gareth Bale cannot pull that kind of thing. So USA, Wales, Iran. In Group C, Norway, Argentina. And then at the second place, I should say Poland will qualify for the second place. And third, Mexico, Saudi Arabia in the fourth place. Group D, oh my god, France. Ignore the music that is coming from the background, please ignore it, because I had told in the last Python video that we are still running with our festive season after the Diwali also. So what to do? First France, then Denmark. Denmark is the underdog team this season, means this World Cup. Then what is the Tunisia? Maybe Tunisia, Australia, Tunisia. Australia cannot pull that off. Here comes the most difficult part. Germany will top the group, sure shot. Then Spain, Costa Rica, then Japan. Now it's a fair decision. I think you guys also know that Germany will top the group because German players are like so much, means they had pace, they had everything, but the Spain players have only skills. And then second, Belgium, Norway, and Croatia, Canada, Morocco. Easy one. This one is Switzerland, Cameroon, Brazil, Switzerland, because Sakiri is going to play. He will do something. Serbia and Cameroon. Uruguay or Portugal. Uruguay, who is having Darwin Núñez, Valverde. Oh my, much tougher team. Uruguay. Araujo, I think he's going to miss the World Cup. But Portugal has lots of talent, like best attacking midfielder Bruno Fernandes, then Bernardo Silva, many of them are there. So Portugal, I will vote for Portugal. Second place Uruguay, third place Ghana and Korea. So we are done with our group stage. Now the battle begins, the round of 16. Who is facing whom? Let's see. Oh shit. Netherlands versus USA. No way, bro. Netherlands. USA, I'm sorry for you. Netherlands. Argentina versus Denmark. This is going to be a very tough fight for Argentina because Argentina can beat Italy, France easily, but Denmark is that kind of a team which you cannot break. But I will go for Argentina. Senegal, England, obviously England. Then Poland versus France. France will demolish them completely. I guess you all have the same guesses, I think, because the first row was quite easy for us. Croatia, Germany, obviously. Brazil will be beating Uruguay easily. Belgium or Spain or Belgium. Belgium is having a great midfield, but not Lukaku is there. Lukaku is there in the finish. But Spain doesn't have a good finisher. Like Ferran Torres and Morata are the two finishers in the Spain team. Ansu Fati is not there. Williams, that right winger, will play, but no great finisher for Spain yet. So I will be voting not for Spain, Belgium, Portugal or Switzerland. Portugal, obviously. So we had passed our group of, round of 16 also, group stage and round of 16. Next, quarter final. Oh shit, Netherlands versus Argentina. This is going to be tough. Netherlands versus Argentina. I am an Argentina fan. I will go. No, actually, Argentina will win. Means Argentina is much tougher than Netherlands. Like Netherlands also have Delete, De Vrij, then who's that? In Van Dijk. They have good defenders. Then Dumfries on the right hand side. They have good players also. But Argentina has that core strength of the team. Argentina will definitely go. Again, Brazil Germany 7-1. This is impossible for me. Brazil versus Germany is impossible for me. Let me think it properly. Who is there in Germany? Jamal Musiala, Timo Werner at the front. On the right hand side, Serge Gnabry. On the left hand side, Leroy Sané, Thomas Muller, Kimmich, Gundogan, Goretzka. What a team, bro. What a team. In the defense, Germany is having Hummels, maybe Hummels. Rudiger. How can I miss him? Rudiger. On the left, Gosens. On the right, who is there? On the right hand side, I don't remember someone from Germany. I don't know who is there in the German right hand side. German team is strong and Manuel Neuer on the goalkeeping. But in case of Brazil, who is there? On the left hand side, Vinicius, maybe Vinicius. On the front, maybe Gabriel Jesus. On the right hand side, it's most probably Anthony or no, Anthony. Anthony will be there because Rafinha is not performing up to that level. Anthony. On the midfield, Neymar, Coutinho, Casemiro. Too much tough. And the defense is like Thiago Silva will be playing with Marquinhos. On the right back, Dani Alves. On the left back, who is there on the left back? Who is there? Marcelo will not play, for sure. Renan Lodi may be playing. This one is difficult. Germany versus Brazil. But I think so. Germany will qualify. I don't know why, but I think Germany will qualify. Because Germany may lose to small teams, but they will just demolish bigger teams. I don't know why they do, how they do, I don't know, but they do. Third match, England versus France. This one is going to be very tough. Mbappe versus Rashford. But I will go with France because France is having a additional striker, Harry Maguire. So France. And Belgium versus Portugal. Belgium cannot break the defense of Portugal. Portugal is having a difficult defense like Ruben Dias, then Joao Cancelo. Everyone is there in Portugal. So we are done with our quarterfinals also, and the semi-finals, Argentina versus Germany and France versus Portugal. This is impossible. No one can predict this one. Impossible. So let's think of it. Germany is a well-defined team. Argentina is a team with core strength. See, I know Germany is a very much strong team, maybe stronger than Argentina, but I am an Argentina fan. I will be voting for Argentina only. So Argentina qualifies for the final. Actually, they have some good spirit now. Argentina has just won the Copa America, then Finalissima, something like that. Something like that. I don't know. So it is normal for them to win. Portugal versus France. Impossible. Portugal is having good midfield, good defense, and in the attack, the best player ever, Cristiano Ronaldo. who is hungry for goals and not getting minutes. So France, Mbappe, it is impossible to stop Mbappe. It is impossible to stop our Dembele. And on the left hand side, Kingsley Coman. Oh my god, so much critical team. On the defense, they have Jules Koundé. On the defense, they have Rafael. Oh my god, this one is going to be very tough, very tough. I think France will qualify. No, 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 it's impossible. Impossible because in this year in 2022, maybe not, yeah, it will be in 2022 only. So we will be seeing the face off between the greatest players of our generation, like Lionel Messi versus Cristiano Ronaldo, face off Argentina versus Portugal final. So we had came to an conclusion that Argentina is facing Portugal in the final. So I think you guys also want to see this one. Means who is the greatest player of the last 2 decades, means from 2000 to 2020. So let's see which which legend wins the World Cup. Maybe, means I hope ki this must be the prediction, means have to be the reality. This prediction have to be become the reality, so that we can see the legends of football, the best players ever football has produced, facing each other in the World Cup final. So that's it. You can put your comments below. You can like the video, subscribe the channel, and actually we in this channel we actually study, we do coding, we do many things like all related to studies. But World Cup comes after every 4 years, so this is important also. So guys, goodbye for now. We will be meeting each other in another video, and do not forget to give your prediction, means who is going to win. I will be opting for Argentina wins. Your winner Argentina. See, Argentina wins because Messi needs a World Cup. Also Ronaldo also needs the World Cup, but I am a Messi fan, so goodbye.